the Manitoba government is committing an additional $3 million for a total of $4.75 million to supporting food banks across Manitoba.
The Manitoba government has announced that it will be providing over $4 million to food banks across the province as part of their affordability package program to help support families struggling with food insecurity.
When we look back on the year that was, we know that Manitobans have been through a lot. From the global pandemic to flooding, the unjust war on Ukraine, the record inflationary pressures, the list goes on.
29 organizations were selected to receive the funding, including the Bear Clan Patrol, Food Matters Manitoba, and West Central Women's Resource Center, among many others.
So once all the food security funds were allocated, we recognized that there was a growing demand for even more assistance, especially during the holiday season and throughout the cold winter months.
Harvest Manitoba will be in charge of allocating the extra $3 million to food banks throughout the province. The money will be going towards food purchasing, transportation, and other costs depending on the community's needs.
We need all the help of all Manitobans at this time because the need that we're facing is absolutely unprecedented.
According to a report from Harvest Manitoba, demand for food banks have increased by 40% since last year. Barletta says the organization also served around 90,000 people, including 15,000 children.
That face of food bank is also changing. We're seeing 25% of food bank users in Manitoba are people with jobs and more kids than ever before.
Despite the extra funding, Barletta says that he's hoping that the demand for food banks goes down.
We can't be back here next year having this same announcement. We have to get the numbers going the other way.
In Winnipeg, Sweeta Rassi, City News.
Next.